Welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank that brings you market views and insights on the go.
Welcome to the weekly FX Navigator, a segment hosted on Standard Chartered Money Insights. I'm DJ Cheong, an investment strategist at Standard Chartered Bank, and I'm here to help guide you through the latest trends and drivers in FX markets. In this episode, we will focus on the pound and whether the UK can lead the way out of the COVID-19 pandemic. So renewed concerns about the COVID-19 Delta variant, along with regulatory tightening in China, has dented risk appetite over the past week or so. Although sentiment will likely be choppy ahead of this week's FOMC meeting, we would use pullbacks as an opportunity to add exposure to the pound. Let me explain why. Now, if you're a fan of F1 or football, the sight of fans attending the British Grand Prix and Euro 2020 has brought some normality to what sporting events used to look like. This also suggests that the UK may provide the roadmap for global growth and dollar direction in H2. If their vaccinate and live with it COVID-19 strategy leads to a rise in cases but relatively lower hospitalisation rates, other countries will likely follow this approach in our view. As global growth transitions from recovery to expansion, the counter-cyclical dollar could fall and the pound, alongside other pro-risk currencies, could rally strongly. Conversely, if the strategy fails, then it is likely that global recovery stalls, the dollar rises and the pound slides. So UK hospitalisation and mortality rates will be key to determining which scenario is playing out. For now, UK COVID-19 cases have been falling consistently since the peak on July 17, despite the substantial easing of restrictions a few days later. That has increased market expectations for a stronger UK recovery and potentially an earlier Bank of England hawkish shift. While investors are likely to shuttle between fear and hope, we expect the UK's strategy to succeed. On technicals, pound dollar is pivoting around 136.50 to 137. A break above 140 could pave the way forward for a retest of key resistance at around 142.50. In conclusion, we are staying constructive on the pound and we will be watching the UK's approach closely. With that, we've come to the end of this week's episode. If you want to find out more about what we've published over the past few days, head to se.com and look for the latest Market Insights tab. If you're a client, reach out to your relationship manager for more details. Have a fantastic week ahead, everyone.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank. For more details on the latest market insights, subscribe to Standard Chartered Money Insights.